Want to skyrocket your YouTube channel in 2024? Let's dive into the ultimate guide to ranking higher and growing your audience. First things first, watch time is everything. The longer people watch your videos, the higher YouTube ranks them. So, how do you keep viewers hooked? Start with a captivating intro, maybe a surprising fact or a question that makes them want to stay. Deliver value right from the start. Address your audience's pain points or share a useful tip in the first minute. This shows you understand their needs and keeps them engaged. Don't forget the power of storytelling. Share stories that resonate and offer clear solutions. Visual variety is key. Mix up talking segments with B-roll footage, smooth transitions, and different angles to maintain interest. Boost your visuals with text overlays, infographics, or animations to highlight important points. And don't underestimate the power of sound. Use music and effects to create an emotional connection. Engage your audience interactively. Ask questions, run polls, or prompt comments throughout your video. Make it easy for busy viewers by adding timestamps in the description so they can find what they need quickly. And always end with a strong call to action. Encourage them to like, comment, and subscribe. To wrap it up, consistently create high-quality, engaging content and use these strategies to build a thriving YouTube channel. Remember, success takes time and dedication, but with the right approach, you can establish your brand, attract new leads, and grow a loyal community.